not a great guy, but I think what happened was no, that was after they broke up. This is after she hadn't like been since she was like just parents. Yeah. No, but I get it. And I like talked to Morgan about this too, just today, where she kind of like isolated him. Like she was just like mine about this baby. Like she just was like total mama bear about it. She tried for so long to have this kid, which is fine, and that's great. That's a good thing. You love your kids, but you need to let your dad. You need to let dad too. You need to let him.
I'd be pretty much.
So he felt completely useless. She's breastfeeding him. He can't even feed him. She was just like super like. No, not like that. She just like she wouldn't. It just. She was acting and making him feel like he was mad at her and like he was just a sperm donor. So and like at that point he's like, hey, well then that's what I'll be then because that's how you're treating me anyways. Not that I'm like he definitely hasn't been dealing with this very well because like he hasn't been making an effort to see Dimitri other than support his daughter again. So like that's not good. However, you've gotten what you wanted. Now he's around. He's spending time with his son. So, the 4-hour unsupervised visit, for her right now, are like devastating. She's like,
Yeah. Like,
well, she'll just, I don't know, I don't know.
I trust him enough to marry him. Now you're just like, now you're not talking to me.
Well, because there was one incident where they were having a fight and she was leaving with key and he like threw the keys at her to like pass them to her angry and like almost hit me in the head or something. So now she views him as like abusive. It's like,
that was an accident, you know.
exactly right. But
It's
that's
not like you fucking played cards with him before.
yeah. So anyway, she has 4 hours free time Saturday and Sunday. She's struggling financially. I'm trying right now.
You would like 3 hours job.
Go clean for $20 an hour. Right? Like
You should like not willing to do it.
I don't
She's not.
I am. In some ways I think she is. I think also too, Martin said, he was like, it kind of sounds like she's trying to have a cake and eat it too. And it's like, no. You want to be a single mom, you want to leave your husband, you want to take him to court, you want to do all these
You have a lot
things.
more responsibility now.
You have to then, now you need to be mom and dad. Like you need to figure out how to you know, pay your bills. And that means you need to get a job. And right now, it's for me. Yeah, no, sorry. This way, you're actually going to probably save some less if you want to live life comfortably with your bills. I think her long-term goal is to get ECE trained so that she can be like an at-home daycare, which would be great for her. And I even thought about getting her to watch the kids.
But it's like you need space to do that.
On
She's
Thursdays. Yeah, but she can come to our house.
No, we're just.
No, we'll pay her for a service. I'm not just going to keep giving her handouts. I'm trying to think something long term because I have to go down to 3 days a week. It'd be cool if I could stay like 4 days a week. So I'm thinking possibly, I haven't decided on this, but it's just a thought that's popping in my head. That she comes over. Yeah, I literally thought of this like yesterday. Is that she can come over and watch the kids on Thursdays. So that she can have an income and I can go to work.
I thought you were saying like use our house as like her daycare.
No. For her to come over with me and watch the kids on Thursday so I can go to work and keep doing 4 days a week. And she's making a small income. I'm not just giving her a hand, which is she's going to pay her for service. Right? Because I've thought about it. I can't just keep like giving her food. give them money. I'm like, how can she serve us so we can pay her for it? No, like the parents. I've been giving her that much. I bought her a shit ton of groceries the other day. It cost us nothing. I didn't spend a penny. I mean, I guess I did because like I gave her like a can of vegetables and like a pack of toilet paper from our Costco bag. But like, she can't even. But she obviously like she's having to like learn some life lessons because she's needing to learn some life lessons because kitty litter. No, you can't have bougie shit anymore. You left your man. Sorry. People are so quick to like not try and make a relationship and not realize. Yeah, exactly. She did try. I think she really did try. He wasn't. He had checked out.
Look at his. I think most of the shit
I think she really too.
Super controlled.
You just asked for tea to have a sip of it. Stay here. Marley's less washed and she gets
How's everything here so far? Good? Alright. Anything else I can grab for you?
No, good.
No, we're all
Thank
good.
you.
Alright, perfect. Thank you so much. Have a great day. khác nữa lên hỏi có một sự cái này không có làm thôi để ra đi. Thì để đây đi, để luôn chi. Để trên mấy cái phô folder đó nó đủ gì đâu. Ủa? Ok. Hả? Rồi. Mua gì? Hành luôn à. Chainsaw it? Yeah. I finished season 1. There's only one season. Only one season, yeah. I just finished it recently. That was really good. Yeah. He's so cool. Yeah. Do you want anything else? Yeah. Oh, yes. Well, I heard that was really, I haven't watched it, but I heard like the animation and stuff like that. And it was really good. So. Yeah. It's like the story is very like. Exactly. Yeah. I heard like the animation is sweet. All my friends, my sister. Oh yeah, that one is really good.
That's famous.
Hello. Hey, how you doing?
Good, how you?
Good. Welcome back. Two for rice today.
No rice, please.
Rice 33?
33, yeah. And can I, yeah, water, yeah. And then can I get a chicken sub too to go? To go?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
You want that like later?
Yeah,
Sounds
please.
good. Okay. Because that's like the biggest site.